Hello out there and welcome to Peter's online tutor. Today we shall be looking at mathematics. Now we have a JAMB pass question on the board. It reads, if y equals x sine x, find dy dx when x equals pi over 2. Now these are the options. So how do we solve this question? Let us go. So we are having y equals x sine x. Is that clear? So our dy dx is equal to, now as usual, we will leave x, okay, times, we'll differentiate sine x. If you differentiate sine x, you get cos x. Are you following? Plus, I will not differentiate x and leave what? Sine x. So differentiate x, that gives us 1, and then I will leave what? Sine x. Are you following? So I'm having my dy dx now, okay, is equal to x cos x plus 1 times sine x gives me sine x. And remember, we are asked to find dy dx when x equals pi over 2. So I'm having dy dx now is equal to, now anywhere I see x, I will slot in with pi over 2. So I'm having pi over 2 in place of x here. Is that clear? Cos x, I'm going to put in pi over 2, bracket close, plus sine x, I will put pi over 2. Are you following? So my dy dx now will be equal to, now recall that 1 pi radian, okay, is equal to 180 degree. Don't forget. Okay, then pi over 2 radian, will be equal to 180 degree over 2. That gives us what? 90 degree. Is that clear? So the equivalent of pi over 2 radian in degree is 90. Is that clear? So from what you are having here, it becomes pi over 2. Okay, now cos 90, because pi over 2 radian is 90 degree. Now cos 90 degree is what? Is 0. Don't forget. Plus, now sine 90 degree is 1. Okay, so 0 times pi over 2 gives us 0. So having 0 plus 1, and that gives us what? 1. Is that clear? So our answer now is 1. So which of these now? Which of the options here is correct? Option C is the right option. Okay, so thank you and bye-bye.